severely undervalued cryptocurrency. I believe Tectonic is a severely undervalued cryptocurrency. In fact, I was just having a conversation with one of my guys, and he was like, man, I was trying to get a loan and the bank was putting me through this and this. I said, man, you need to start compounding your liquidity and get into some of these lending and borrowing pools with some of these projects like Tectonic, man. I was really explaining them how Tectonic could possibly be the future of banking. And then I seen a tweet from the Tectonic official page as I was doing a little bit of research, and I'm like, wow, these guys are really building. So we're about to talk about that. Make sure that you like and subscribe, hit that notification bell, go crazy in the chat, even the trolls, man. I got love for you trolls, you feel me? But it's your boy Crypto Millie, and we about to talk about this tonic. All right, so perfect example you can see here from this comment. It says, I've been using my staking rewards to buy tonic. I've been investing since January 2022. This coin has been good, stable investment. Lots of potential down the road, maybe after the 2028 Bitcoin halving. Wow, 2028 halving? That's a long way. I think Tectonic could do well with the upcoming halving, but it's good to see that the Tectonic family plan on holding for long term. I've noticed that about a lot of people in the Tectonic 5 family, is that they don't mind holding for the next 4 to 7 years. I love it. And if you want dope strategies on how to compound your Tectonic, I recommend you guys to follow 𝐥𝐤𝐤𝐞, the Tectonic ambassador. Man, this guy's always coming up with cool ways to make money and compound your Tectonic. So make sure you go check out my guy 𝐥𝐤𝐤𝐞, and also go check out the rest of the channel. We've been going crazy as of late, man. We've been going really crazy of late. Appreciate everybody that's been showing up, even the trolls. Couldn't have did this without the trolls. All right, so let's get into tonic, the charts here. So we finally broke out of this pattern here, family. Looking to use the 200-day moving average here as support. I'm hoping that it uses the 200-day moving average as support. What gives me a little bit more information that this may happen is the fact that we are seeing the stock RSI here on the daily kind of curl up and looking to reset. Now, we could hang out here around a while, which could spell a little bit of trouble if we break the 200-day moving average. There's not much support here sitting at 6013. So if we do break the 200-day moving average, we'll have to hold up here at 6013, which I don't think there's much support to keep us from coming back down to what's this, the 70, so picking up that other zero. I just don't see it happen because we're so severely oversold here, and I'll be looking for the stock RSI to start to build momentum and curl back up, as we've seen right here. We've seen this push to the upside, so I'm expecting this similar sequence here to happen, and another push to the upside. MACD is bearish, so a lot of bearish momentum, but even in the midst of that, we are seeing Tectonic here build. You can see that they listed another project within their liquidity pool, so we know that they listed VVS, Atom. I never did a video for ADA or VVS, so I guess I'll cover it both today. But yeah, maybe a week ago, a few days ago, Tectonic listed ADA on a liquidity pool, and now we have VVS listed. So I think the fact that they have Atom, ADA, VVS, and even Crow, because we know Crow is going to give that awareness feel to it. Shout out to the Lakers for the L, but I can't wait till they go back to crypto. We can get that awareness there on the crypto, and the fact that Tectonic is the top project in the crypto.com ecosystem, in my opinion. I know some people would say VVS. I think that the awareness will be a good thing, but we'll also get a lot of different users that interact with these chains and these ecosystems, like Atom, Cosmos, ADA, Cardano, and of course VVS. VVS is a little bit more popular than people think. I see a lot of comments like, cover VVS, cover VVS. I won't cover VVS. I had such a terrible experience with VVS in the last bull cycle, but it was all my fault because I bought the tops. And I think that's what we got to start focusing on, family, is accountability. I don't think a lot of people have the accountability in crypto. I see it even in the comments of chats. Oh, this ain't doing this. Oh, this ain't doing that. Family, you just bought the top. You feel me? You didn't pay attention to the momentum indicators. You didn't, get in early when no one was talking about it. So you got to start having accountability in crypto, and I think that would make the space a little bit more healthy here. All right, so some reasons why this is actually bullish for Tectonic. I know a lot of people want to know, well, how is this bullish for Tectonic in these liquidity pools? Make sure you go check out the videos I did on liquidity pools. I did break it down, but how is this bullish? Well, number one, increase liquidity. By listing popular cryptocurrencies like Atom, VVS, and Cardano, Tectonic Finance can attract larger user base and increase liquidity on its platform. This allows users to easily borrow or lend their assets, enhancing the overall market efficiency. Two, diversification, of course. The addition of multiple cryptocurrencies provide users with more options for borrowing and lending, allowing them to diversify their portfolios and mitigate the risk. It also attracts users who hold these specific assets and are looking for lending opportunities. And again, a lot of people I was looking at a Tectonic tweet, and it was like, well, ADA was on fire. So maybe a lot of people that interact with ADA was starting to interact with Tectonic's ecosystem. And the thing about that family is Cardano is popular. Like, you know I talk about Hedera and what's another utility token. I talk about like Quant and stuff like that. But Hedera is pretty popular. Cardano is pretty popular as well. I've seen it, literally, YouTubers talk about it, and, the views just go parabolic. So I know for sure Cardano is parabolic. Not enough people talk about Atom, though. And Cosmos is a very, very, very neat project when it comes to interoperability and really being that chain that brings cryptocurrencies together. I think a lot of people sleep on Atom, but that's just my opinion. 3, user demand. Listing popular cryptocurrencies indicate that Tectonic Finance is responsive to user demand. If these cryptocurrencies have a significant user base and strong community support, their listings can attract more users to the platform, leading to increased activity and potential growth. 4, yield generation. Users can hold cryptocurrencies like Atom, VVS, and Cardano and can earn yields by lending them through Tectonic Finance's borrowing and lending pools. This feature can incentivize users to participate in platforms and potentially generate additional income from their crypto holdings. This is huge. Yield generation is huge, especially when we're talking about Cardano or Atom, to seeing a lot of those users come over there and earn compound their cryptocurrency through Tectonic's borrowing and lending pool. So this is a utility and use case. I say it all the time. I know some people don't agree, which is fine, but to me, Tectonic has a meme coin feel. I think it's because of all the zeros, and psychologically it plays a lot. It plays with a lot of people's mind. People love to feel like they're getting a deal. I mean, that's just life. So the fact that they can buy these cryptocurrencies under a penny and get large amounts kind of gives them more confidence of potentially becoming the next crypto millionaire. So the community is there. The meme coin is feel is there, but what separates this from the average meme coin is the utility. And when I'm talking about utility, the utility is heavy with Tectonic, and people be in the comments like, oh, is this, all this is, speaking on the tokenomics. I get it. We talk about cryptocurrencies that have, better tokenomics. There is some cons to Tectonic in the tokenomics, but I think at the end of the day, because they're listing these new cryptocurrencies, these popular cryptocurrencies, that a lot of that will kind of like work its way out, work its way. You know what I'm saying? The pros or cons are pretty much even out. Now, let's get into the Tectonic prediction here. So my number for Tectonic has always been $1 billion market cap. 505. So 505, I know Tectonic right now is what, 6017. If we get to 505, that'd be a 30x, 29x to be exact, 29x. So I'm looking for Tonic to 30x from here. That's pretty realistic in my opinion. I know some people would say 1 penny, I get it, but realistically, $1 billion market cap, I feel like Tectonic will max out at a $1 billion market cap, only because I'm not seeing urgency from the listings. That's one of the things I would like to see more. If we can get on more platforms, then my prediction will change. But until then, this is the most realistic prediction I can give you guys. All right, so y'all let me know what y'all think about Tonic. Make sure you go follow me on Twitter. All the links will be in the description. If you're interested in buying Tonic, I'll drop a crypto.com link in the comments where you guys can qualify to earn for a free $25 and get you some of that Tonic. All right, none of this is financial advice. I'm just a crypto enthusiast, and this is my crypto journey, and I appreciate everybody that showed up, man. More Tectonic news on the way. It's your boy Crypto Millie. I'm out.